I'll be here. Hi guys, for today's video, we discuss about earthquake disaster. So, before we proceed our main topic, what is disaster first? The disaster is a sudden event such as an accident or natural catastrophe that causes great damage or lost life. What is earthquake disaster? Earthquake can be defined as the shaking of earth caused by waves moving on and below that earth's surface and causing surface faulting, tremors, vibration, liquefaction, landslide, aftershocks, and or tsunamis. Aggravating factors are the time of event, number, and intensity of aftershock. What should we do before an earthquake, during earthquake, after an earthquake? Secure heavy furniture, hanging plants, heavy pictures, and mirrors. Keep flammable of hazardous liquids in cabinets or on lower shelves. Maintain emergency food, water, and other supplies, including flashlights or a portable batteries, medicines, purse, and kit and clothing. What is the importance of people's awareness and readiness about natural disasters such as earthquake? People must be aware of what natural hazards they are likely to face in the communities. They should know in advance what specific preparation to make before an event, what to do during a hurricane, earthquake, floods, fire, or another likely event, and what action to take in its aftermath. Duck down to the floor, take cover under a sturdy table or desk, and hold on until the shaking stops. Remember, avoid danger spots near windows, hanging objects, mirrors, or tall furniture. If you take cover under a sturdy piece of furniture, hold on to it and be prepared to move with it.